Hey everyone, it's Drew from Drew's Adventures, and Werner and I are heading up to Hollywood. Here we are.
What is it? Welcome to
Hollywood. Hey, thanks man.
Thanks brother.
Cheers. This is a little look at one of the Hollywood underground stations. This one here was called Hollywood Plaza, I believe. And have a look at this. This whole roof of this station has little movie reels. How cool is that? And here's Hollywood Boulevard. Up here, there's Werner. And they've got a movie projection theatre thing here, I think. Wow, look at that. Projector there. That is massive. That is enormous. There's another one over there. That is huge. Wow, there we go. Complete projection equipment. National Theatre Roll. Wow. That is mammoth. Woo! Alright, we're going to go have a look at Hollywood Boulevard out here. So let's do it. We have all of the big stars. We have Jennifer Lopez there, Una Merkel, Ellen DeGeneres, Jennifer Aniston. I don't know if these are in alphabetical order, I'm not too sure. I don't know how it works on that aspect, but yeah, we got Mariah Carey, Pharrell Williams, Michael Bublé, Donald Woods. Heap and heap of the big Hollywood stars. So this is the Hollywood Boulevard, everyone. And we've got some musicals over the road that are taking place. And this is just amazing. There's so many stars all along here. There's J-Lo's star. Wonder if there's any Aussies on here. Kate Winslet, Ogden Nash, Adam Sandler. Wow. Laura Dern, Bruce Dern. See, some of these names I don't recognise, but some I do. Oh, there's Shakira. There you go. Everyone who's a Shakira fan. Shania Twain, Angelica Houston, Julia Louis-Dreyfus. Yeah, that's amazing. That is really, really cool. Now, so we're just going to go for a walk now around the Hollywood area. Werner's just down here. This is awesome. Wow. Now we're going to go and try and see the Hollywood sign. Did you find some good ones, Werner?
I did.
Yeah.
They're
not alphabetical, are they? I don't think.
They're sort of like...
Yeah.
See how that one's that way?
Yes. I know. Yeah, I know. They're all upside down, some are. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Sammy Davis Jr. There we go. Sammy Davis Jr. There's a famous name. There we go. We've got Les Mis, my sister's favourite musical, is on from the 1st of August till September the 10th. And let's have a look up here. Hey little buddy.
Hello.
Hey. Wow. Service robot. Yeah, I don't know where he's going, but how cool is that? Otto, the service delivery robot, here near a car park. Oh, there's your Capitol Records building up there with the Star Spangled Banner on top. Walking up this little road where we've got hopefully a visual on where this Hollywood sign is, everyone. We're hoping. Yucca Street. Oh, that's very Australian. Yucca. You know the Yuccas?
Yeah.
That's very Aussie. Yucca Street.
Yes.
We've had a lot of really nice people, very kind people that have helped us here. Wow, look at this incredible place up here. Wow, that's amazing. It's like a Disneyland castle, doesn't it? It looks like a Disneyland castle. That's cool.
Yeah.
Wow, that's got to have at least 100 or more rooms. That dwarfs most Australian stuff. This is incredible. We are in Hollywood and we're actually going for a wander down one of the streets, and it's just got these magnificent houses. These are huge. These are just incredible. We've got to walk up the top here to try and see the Hollywood sign. Here we are, look at these. This is where the rich and the famous live. But you know what's very interesting? There is a lot of poverty too. There's a lot of homeless people around. We've passed a lot of that. Further back, people living in tents. Look at these houses, wow. These are just incredible, look at that. What a beautiful little retreat that would make for a home. Spectacular. Absolutely spectacular, these homes in this area. We're on a road called Canyon Drive at the moment.